for clicking on today's video. We are going to be taking this Lamborghini Huracan and this Tradman's Ferrari 458 to Slush Fest. Slush Fest is this huge festival that is happening actually today, and we're running a little bit late, so we gotta get going, but we're one of the sponsors of the event, so we're going to be taking these amazing cars, but there's going to be drifting, there's going to be ride-alongs, there's going to be so many cool cars, so we gotta get going. Levi, we're running late.
We're always running late. It's just too early. It's too early for this.
It may be too early, but it is never too early for this. Oh, let's go. That sounds so freaking good. My man Casey out here looking iced out. Come on, guys. We can't have nice drinks and be late.
What time is it?
We can't have nice things when Ty forgets his camera.
It's 6:26.
I'm trying, okay?
Look at this cinematic of Ty putting ice in here.
Yeah, go slow-mo, go slow-mo. No, not you, the camera. Oh. Pick it up so it dumps out, so it's all cool. Ruined a cool shot. Sorry, bro. Fix it. You don't tell me what to do. You fix it. And my wheels. Hey,
Lunchable guy.
It's Mr. Uncrustables.
Alrighty, I think it's time to go. Just get in your Ferrari
Man, that car sounds good.
and let's dip like a chip. Now, it's still 6 in the morning, but this is our first bridge that we have approached. Dang, let's go! Alrighty, first red light of the day. We are gonna have some freaking fun. Oh man, Levi's gonna race me. You're going down! Yes! Oh man, there's nothing like a Lamborghini Huracan. Dang, Casey, your car sounds good! Well, after about an hour of driving, we've made it here to Utah Motorsports campus, and I gotta say, the people are showing up. Man, Levi, we got a pretty good spot in here, don't we?
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Took a little bit of time, but
I'm tired still.
let's go get some breakfast.
Oh, and then here is some extra coffee as well.
Thank you.
No problem.
Eat it, Ty. Well, the first thing that we're doing here today is roll racing, and I look a little ridiculous, but we got our pro driver right here, Ryan.
What's up, guys?
Casey's new Mercedes.
Yeah. Thanks, Casey. We're gonna kind of race your car pretty hard right now, buddy. Thank you.
We're gonna win. Oh, you got this, Ryan. You got this. Let's go! Woo! Dang, Ryan. How fast did we get?
We got up to about 105.
105, not too shabby. First of many dubs. Alrighty, this last time we were in sport mode, now we're in race mode. I think we're gonna destroy.
Yeah, I think we should do a lot better this time.
Let's go! Ryan, you animal! Get the car! Casey, you made a good purchase. Now that we did beat those people in some races, we're gonna go watch some drift cars.
no car sounds. It was just like R2-D2.
Alrighty, here comes the cool one. Not that one, not that one. This one. Dude's not even drifting. Well, that looked pretty cool, but we need to find out how we can get in one of those cars over there. Should. We made our way back over to the drift track, but we found our boy Matt. So now we're gonna go find a drift car and we're gonna go drift around a little bit. Hey Casey, are you gonna win?
Probably not.
You better.
Casey's gonna win for sure. Pray for me.
I will. We have found our drift car, so let's go do this thing. So I think there's gonna be no spinning out, right?
No spinning out. We're gonna try.
We have the man behind the wheel.
We're one and I'm an amateur. But we're not gonna spin out. We're gonna get it right.
He's not an amateur, he's a professional.
What he said.
I'm not going in the dirt as much, and then it kind of looks like you got the beach going on in here already.
Well, I have bad front tires, so now I got them swapped. They're brand new.
Okay.
So we'll see what happens.
Okay.
That should make a big difference, though.
Hope so.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hope so.
I gotta feel it out though. So if I go in the dirt the first time, I was like, okay, it feels different now.
All right.
That's all.
Lick it a bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got you.
All right. I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna come back in like 2 minutes and open up this gate,
Okay.
and then we're gonna be rock and roll. Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about, Terry.
You guys, should I just leave some space so you can go do the thing for a minute? All right. Go.
Killed it out there.
Hey, Doc, appreciate it. Yeah, the tires feel better though.
Woo! We're dusty.
Yeah, thanks for the ride, that's sick.
Hey, you got it all dirty again.
Freaking insane, but now we gotta go watch some racing.
How was drifting?
It was so much fun.
What, did you go like around the track?
Went around the track, sideways, dusty. Man, Casey, these cars are fast.
Super fast. That red GTR that's gonna be coming around. Dude, super fast.
Super, super fast.
Uber duper super
Fast. Ty, how's your day been?
Oh, dude, it's wonderful. I'm with you. How can I not love my day?
What's been your favorite part about the day?
Getting to hang around the guys, being around the giveaway cars, handing out free stuff to everybody. I mean,
You just get to do that every day.
every single day. We get to make cool content. We get to be around the coolest guys every single day. Life is great.
Which of these cars is your favorite?
Ooh. Are we talking about on the track right now?
Yeah, on the track right now.
On the track right now, I would have to say that's the 01.
I don't even know if you can hear me, but we made it back into the Lamborghini, and you know I had to do it to him. Downshift, downshift. One more. Oh my gosh, this thing is so much fun. Oh, I need to get myself a Lamborghini Huracan so bad. Well guys, we're taking the cars back to the shop. We had quite the fun day at Slush Fest with our cars and all the other fun, exciting events. I gotta say, I think the drifting was my favorite thing to do. So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.